Imagine this: life without research. What would it be like? How would our lives be different?
Picture your daily routine. Even simple things would be disrupted. There would be no electricity to power your alarm clock or to recharge your cell phone. You wouldn't even have a cell phone without extensive research in engineering, chemistry, and physics.
We wouldn't be able to predict weather or traffic or even hear a radio program, not to mention the fact that you wouldn't have a car, much less a navigation system.
Without basic health research, it'd be a whole lot easier to get a lot more sick. We wouldn't know much about diseases, how they spread, how to treat them, and how they can be prevented.
We wouldn't know how to grow or properly store a bunch of different foods, which means that our diets would change drastically.
Research touches all aspects of life, from the ways we take care of ourselves to the ways we interact with each other. What we often don't think about are the thousands of discoveries and inventions we take for granted that would not exist without research.
We cannot envision life without research, nor can we imagine life without researchers.
So we asked researchers,
what makes research important?
The work you're doing, the ideas you're coming up with are actually making people's lives better. And that's why you do it in the end.
The number one most rewarding thing about research is having an impact and saying that you made something better.
One of my goals has always been to change the world, and I know that sounds really cheesy, but one way to do that is definitely through research.
Research is rewarding to me because it incites change.
You can break barriers and find something new. It's infinite.
I think the diversity of what research can mean is really surprising to me.
You can choose what you want to study. There's no standard for how research can be conducted. There's no, you have to be sitting here, you have to be in a lab, you have to be at a computer. You can really choose what you want to do. You can choose how you do it.
It's the best job in the whole world that I get to think about the things that interest me and then investigate them more as those questions continue to come up.
I think what surprised me most about a research career is that it's really about working in a team.
In reality, there's so many fields of research that really involve people-to-people interaction.
You can go out and socialize and interact with real people instead of being cooped up in a lab.
I would tell a teen interested in research that there are many different kinds of careers that they can do in research.
You can always find a way to combine your passions with research because it's such an interdisciplinary career.
It's not just something that's only singled out to a certain race or certain type of people.
It's so inclusive. Like, everyone can be a researcher, everyone can do research.
You need some curiosity and maybe some patience to do research, but I think the end goal is worth it.
I would tell a teen interested in research to go for it.
Don't give up. It's a long road, but there is a lot of excitement at the end.
Give it a try because it does not hurt to try. And if you really want to live life, do some research.